Sometimes we spend so much trying to find the right products to help us grow our hair, but it will amaze you that all you might need is only one natural ingredient. In today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing hair growth treatment using only one natural ingredient that can help you grow much thicker, fuller hair. If you're also suffering from dry hair, this ingredient is going to help you. It is safe for kids. When I did my big chop when chemicals damaged my hair, I was struggling to grow my hair really fast. But after discovering natural ingredients and knowing the right way to use them, now my hair is flourishing. It's much thicker and beautiful. So if you really want to know how I do this, make sure you're watching this video to the end. Let's do this. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So with this recipe we need some hot water. So I'm going to put some water on the stove and allow it to boil. If you're one of my returning subscribers, I just want you to know that I really do appreciate your support. And you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. And we do that by giving videos a thumbs up. This means a lot to me, so please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up, and it is free. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. So my ingredient for today, as you can see, is the lavender flowers. Lavender has so many uses. It is used in fragrances, is used in body butters, hair growth butters, and so many ways. But today's video, I'm going to show you one way that you can use lavender flowers to grow your hair much faster. It is very easy to prepare and has so many great benefits when it comes to hair growth. So I started by putting some lavender flowers into my bowl like so. I used about 2 to 3 tablespoons of lavender flowers. There is no measurement to this recipe. Just use whatever you want depending on the quantity that you're making. Too much or too less is not going to harm you in any way. So at this point, my hot water is ready and I'm just going to add it to my lavender flowers. And oh, the smell. I just love the smell. You need to give this recipe a try because it's not only going to help boost your hair growth, but it's also very refreshing, the fragrance, and also very calming when you apply it to your hair. And I'm going to show you the best way to use it to get all the benefits from it. So at this point, I'm just mixing everything together to make sure it's really mixed in. Just take notice of the water. I'm going to leave it to cool down, and after it cools down, you're going to see a change in the color. It's been about an hour, and right now our lavender water, or call it the lavender spray, is all cooled down. Do you notice the color change? It has been changed to about a brownish color, and this means that all the goodies, all the nutrients in the lavender flower has all been extracted. So at this point, I'm going to use my strainer to strain my lavender water out. And this is the goodie that we need to use on our hair to make our hair flourish. And there you are. If you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And when you do click on the bell, make sure to select all so you do not miss any of my uploads. On this channel, I do a whole lot of DIYs using natural ingredients that can help you grow your hair much faster, thicker, and more fuller. So at this point, I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is really lightweight, it's easily penetrated into our hair strands. It can help prevent dandruff and also prevent hair breakages. So what I did was, after getting my lavender water, I just put some in a spray bottle like so. I'm going to show you 2 different ways to use this to boost your hair growth. So the first way is to put some in a spray bottle like so. Add any favorite oil of yours, any oil that works for your hair, like olive oil, grapeseed oil, almond oil, coconut oil. It doesn't have to be the same oil that I used. So just feel free to use any hair growth oil or plant-based oil that is great for your hair. And I'm going to show you in a minute how I use the spray bottle. But with the leftover like so, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator so it doesn't go bad. Remember, this is just water based. There is no preservative. So make sure you are putting the rest in the refrigerator. If you want to keep it for a very long time, you can also put it in the freezer and it can go a long way. So when I need some, I just grab it from the refrigerator like so, and I put it in a mason jar. And that is the second way that I use this lavender to grow my hair. When I have it in a mason jar like so, I put it in hot water and make it a little warm, and I use it as a hair rinse. This is how I use it as a hair rinse. After washing my hair and conditioning my hair, I rinse out the conditioner. Then the next thing is to use the water in the mason jar to rinse my hair. I do not rinse my hair with water again. That is the last rinse I do, and I go ahead to moisturize my hair. When it comes to the one in the spray bottle, it's an everyday use. I use it whenever I need it because the lavender oil has antiseptic and antibacterial properties. When used on your scalp, it's going to prevent dandruff, dry itchy scalp, or any scalp issues that you might be having. You all know new hair grows from the scalp. So if you have problems on your scalp, it's going to be hard for you to grow new healthy hair. And that is what this water helps to refresh your hair. Also, when I do my braids like this, remember whenever we do our braids, we tend to forget our natural hair. You do not have to do that. Otherwise, by the time you're ready to take out your hair, you're going to lose a lot of hair. So one thing you can do is before taking out your braids, you can soak your hair with this hairspray. After that, you're going to massage it into your hair, and after a couple of hours, you can take down your braid, and that will be like a pre-poo for your hair, and it's going to reduce hair breakages. You can use it as an everyday spray as well on your braids, just as I'm doing right now. Just spray it on your scalp, on your hair strand, everywhere. Then massage it in your scalp. Massaging your scalp will also improve blood circulation into your scalp to help you grow your healthy hair. After applying this, remember it is only water based, just mixed with some olive oil. So make sure you're going in with your favorite leave-in conditioner to moisturize your hair. Then after that, go in with your hair growth batter. You can use any of my DIY hair growth batter. I'm going to leave some of the links in the description box. So make sure to stop by to check it out so you can make some for yourself and use that to moisturize your hair. I love this recipe because it's easy to make and it's easy to find. I actually got the lavender flowers from Amazon, and I'm going to leave the link in the comment section as well as in the description box. So make sure to use my affiliate link to purchase one for yourself. It doesn't add any extra cost to your purchase, but Amazon will give me a little commission for me recommending the lavender flowers to you. So after having everything like so, I just brush my edges, put on my hairband, and I am ready to go. My hair looks like brand new. Before you leave, make sure you click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch other ways to grow your hair.